Site Reports. The Site Reports page allows clients to view completed job reports, safety updates, and compliance information submitted by their traffic management providers. At the top of the page, summary counters display the total number of reports, visible reports, and team members with access to the reports. The page includes a search and filter section where users can search reports by project, location, job ID, TMP, or client name. Reports can also be filtered by client and date range. Each report card displays important job details including the project name, site address, job ID, TMP reference, submission date, and current report status. The View Report button allows users to open and review the full report details for each site report. Overall, the Site Reports page provides a simple way for clients to track completed works, review safety and compliance information, and monitor report activity across their team.